You ever look at someone and think, damn, their face just sits different? Not because they're born perfect, not because they're wearing designer clothes, but because their face card never declined. It's that clean, sharp, confident look that makes people remember you. Every feature just works. The glow, the symmetry, the energy. And here's the truth. You don't need plastic surgery or fancy genetics to get that. You just need to know how to build it. Because your face isn't just what you're born with. It's what you shape every day. Your habits, your grooming, your sleep, your hydration, they all play a role in how your face looks and feels. See, your face card isn't about being the prettiest guy in the room. It's about being the most put together, the man who walks in and looks effortlessly fresh, healthy skin, clean eyes, sharp haircut, confidence in every glance. That's the kind of face that doesn't just get noticed, it gets remembered. So in this video, I'll show you how to achieve a face card that never declines. A full guide to making your face look sharp, clean, and attractive naturally. If you apply these points, I guarantee your glow up will speak louder than any words. So let's get started. 1. Debloat your face. Let's start with the first step, debloating your face. You can have great skin, good hair, even nice features, but if your face looks swollen or bloated, it kills the whole look. Most guys don't even realize how much water retention affects their jawline and cheekbones. When your face is bloated, your features look hidden. But once you get rid of that puffiness, your jawline starts showing, your cheekbones pop, and your face instantly looks sharper. So how do you debloat? Simple. First, cut down on salty foods, especially junk and processed snacks. Second, drink more water. The more you hydrate, the less your body holds water. Third, get enough sleep and reduce alcohol. Both can make your face look puffy and tired. Try face massages or using a cold roll in the morning. It helps drain fluid and tightens the face instantly. Just 5 minutes a day, and you'll notice your face looks leaner and more defined. 2. Hydration. You can't have a perfect face card without proper hydration. Your skin, lips, eyes, everything depends on water. When you're dehydrated, your skin looks dull, dry, and tired. But when you drink enough water daily, around 2 to 3 liters, your skin becomes smooth, fresh, and glowing. A hydrated face doesn't need filter. It already looks alive. Here's a small trick. Start your day with a big glass of water. Add lemon or electrolytes if you want. And eat water-rich foods like cucumber, oranges, and watermelon. Also, avoid too much caffeine and sugar. They dehydrate your skin and make it look aged. Remember, hydrated skin is youthful skin, and a youthful glow is the foundation of a strong face card. 3. Style your hair. Next, your hairstyle. Your haircut can literally change your entire face shape. A good haircut highlights your best features, your jawline, cheekbones, or forehead. A bad haircut can make your face look unbalanced or smaller. So stop getting random haircut. Find one that suits your face shape. If your face is round, go for something that adds height, like a fade or quiff. If you have a long face, choose a style that adds volume on the sides. Use good products, a quality shampoo, conditioner, and hair serum. And don't forget to keep your hairstyle clean and neat. When your hair matches your face and fits your style, your whole look upgrades instantly. Because the first thing people notice, after your eyes, is your hair. So invest in it. A proper hairstyle can turn a normal face into a head turner. 4. Clean extra facial hair and set your beard. If you want your face card to stay sharp, clean your facial hair. That means trimming your beard, shaving extra hairs, and keeping everything lined up. Even if you're growing a beard, it should look intentional, not messy. Shape it around your cheek and neck properly. Keep your mustache clean and balanced. If you can't grow a full beard, no problem. Stay clean shaven or keep light stubble. What matters is cleanliness and effort. And don't forget your eyebrows and nose hairs. Tiny details like that separate average from well-groomed. Your beard should highlight your jawline, not hide it. When it's neat and symmetrical, your face looks more masculine and defined. Remember, a clean face always wins over a messy one. 5. Your teeth. Your teeth are the main thing people notice when you talk or smile. Even if your skin and hair are perfect, bad teeth can ruin your face card instantly. You don't need perfect Hollywood teeth. You just need them clean, white, and healthy. Brush twice a day. Floss. Use mouthwash. If your teeth are yellow, try whitening toothpaste or baking soda once a week. Drink less soda, tea, or coffee. They stain your teeth. And here's a small glow-up secret. Practice your smile in the mirror. Find a smile that looks natural and confident, because the way you smile says a lot about your personality. A clean smile gives off warmth, confidence, and charm, and that's something money can't buy. 6. Lips. Most men ignore this, but your lips matter a lot. Dry, cracked lips make your face look rough and uncared for. Soft, clean lips, they make your face instantly more attractive. Use a simple lip balm. No shame in that. Drink water. Exfoliate your lips with a toothbrush once a week and keep them moisturized. When you talk or smile, your lips draw attention. If they look healthy, it shows you take care of yourself. And that small detail adds a huge boost to your face card. 7. Clean white eyes. Now this one's underrated. Clean, white eyes make your whole face look fresh and alive. But when your eyes are red, tired, or dull, it kills your glow completely. Get enough sleep. Use eye drops if needed. Cut down on late-night screen time and caffeine. Cold compresses or chilled spoons in the morning help reduce puffiness and dark circles. Also, protect your eyes from sun and dust. When your eyes look clear and bright, your face naturally looks more attractive, even if nothing else changes. They say eyes are the window to your soul, but they're also the key to your face card energy. 8. Skin quality. Finally, the most important part, your skin. Because no matter how well you dress or style your hair, if your skin looks dull or unhealthy, everything else loses impact. Your skin is the foundation of your face card. It's what gives you that clean, glowing, camera-ready look. Here's how to fix it. First, follow a simple routine. Wash your face twice a day, morning and night, using a gentle cleanser that fits your skin type. Second, moisturize. Hydrated skin stays soft and youthful. Use sunscreen every single day. It protects you from aging, dark spots, and sun damage. Once or twice a week, exfoliate to remove dead skin. And eat clean. Your diet affects your skin more than any product. Sleep well, manage stress, and avoid touching your face too much. When your skin is clean and glowing, your face card automatically levels up. Because healthy skin doesn't just look good, it makes you feel confident. Your face is your first impression. People notice it before you even speak. It's not about being the most attractive. It's about showing you care for yourself. When you prioritize your body, hygiene, and lifestyle, it shines through. A sharp jawline, glowing skin, clean smile, and fresh energy help you stand out. You don't need filters or trends, just consistency and effort. Start today by improving your routine. Sleep well, eat better, stay hydrated, and maintain your grooming. A strong face card boosts your confidence and presence effortlessly.